Theories of victimization. Victim precipitation theory, active precipitation, passive precipitation, victim impulsivity, or victims to precipitate the crime. Example is lifestyle theories, high risk lifestyle, college lifestyle, criminal lifestyle, victims or criminal. Deviant place theory, honor code, routine activities theory, suitable target, routine activities theory, suitable target, capable guardians, and also motivated offenders, crime in every life routine. So there are research support and routine activities lifestyle. Venn diagram. Example is lack of capable guardians. Ang sulod ani is or unsa ang nakasulat is police officers, homeowners, security system. Isa is motivated offenders, teenage boys, unemployed, addict population, suitable targets, costly jewelry, expensive cars, easily transportable goods. There are some concept of summary of victimization theory is victimization theory major premises, victim precipitation. Victims provoke criminals' lifestyle. Victims put themselves in danger by engaging the high-risk activities such as going out at night, living in the high crime area, and associating with high-risk peers. Deviant places. Victimization risk is related to neighbor crime rates. Routine activities, a pool of motivated offenders exists. The offenders will take advantage of unguarded suitable targets.
Classmates, so I am reporter for today's video. So, victim, victimization, and situation setting. Its individual's behavior is a product of an interact between the person and the setting. So, most criminological theories pay attention only the first as white-centered people might be more criminal inclined or less so. This neglects the important figures of social settings. No, mana tong pinailan nga sa kabutan guys, no? Next, victim perceptions. So, the degree to which victims are responsible for own victimization. Wolfgang, so Antonov, so hindi natin yan pahalagan niya. Wolfgang, so Antonov, so hindi natin yan pahalagan niya. Anong mga ganggang niyan is in 1958. Investigate homicides in a Pili from 1948 1952. Common facts of 10 victim and offender know each other. Kaduha, alcohol plays role. No? Katlo, incident substance escalates from minor traction to murder. Yeah. Mana magkakuan ta, magkakos tag mga kuan tungod sa yun mo. Ayun na, likado na. Wolfgang studies. Victim was the first to slap, punch, stab. Yes, guys. Mo na ginanan if musulod kag gang. Namoy ana, welcome. Welcome ka bay ali dito ka sa amin. So tabunan ka na nilag yes, experience ka na tabunan ka nilag panyo bitaw. Tubunan ka nga. Sumbagon ka magkabalog sa sumbag si mo. Uy, sumbagon na record or padol ana. The prevalence of victims, petition is murder is assault is contrary popular image victims totally innocent. Yes. Na po sila magkuan sila kaning magtapok-tapok nga matrip her husband because of kuan selos. Yes. Selos guys. Kana yun. Nang lakaw lang ang mga kuan nila kaning mga kuan nila ba asawa nila ba asa niya ambot oy kaning kuan bitaw kaning mangitag kuan ba or dili ka enough para siya nangita siya og kuan bitaw kaning mas better niya siyempre wife man panon mo magtiayon mo siyempre serious jud ka nam kay karapatan nam may laws na may kasulatan ba so ang 9% where they killed their wives as victims kasigaran yung pampatay kaning ano sige mo to selos naisog na kita ano mo nag-ano-ano sila siyempre magkuan sigar magana magkuan ka ano mga kuan sila mga buang victim presentation is homicide. Interpersonal dispute is the dominant characteristic of many homicides. 5 stages of escalation for typical homicide. 1. Victim makes a direct offensive verbal attack against the offender. 40% of victims initiate the homicide drama by verbal threat. Yes, ana. Interprets the victim's words and deeds as offensive. Na sumbagay na mo, ana. The offender makes the opening to pay back the victim of previous insult. For the eventual victim, stand up to the offender's opening, responding with in case hostility. Na guys, magkuha na mo ba galing bayad sa kwarta dapat imo na nang bayaran. Nya na lagi sa pagkuha ba. Nagkakos sa ano kani ano ba? Yung mga victim nga napatay mo naman tungkol sa kuan sir, ibayang kwarta nga ana ba ana rason. Sunod